welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea Marie and I am a working full-time mom of 3. In today's video, we are going to be getting into my Sunday routine. On Sundays, we do quite a bit to get ready for the week. My schedule's changed in the past week or so. I am full-time, working in the office 5 days a week, 9 to 2:30 because I have to leave to go get the kids. But once I do come home, I am still working until 5:30. So we're busy all through the week. Typically, I do have an on-call schedule on the weekends, but because we have been really trying to ramp up recruiting, I have been in the office all week long because that is when people are typically accepting calls for interviews and whatnot. So that's just the backstory on my current situation at work. But at home, we are spending the day on Sunday, getting everything prepped and ready for the weekend, and today is no exception. I have to leave at 4:30 to go pick up my kiddos from their dads. They are at their dad's house every weekend, so we will be going to do that at 4:30. In the meantime, I do need to tidy up a bit and do some meal planning. So right now I am going to go ahead and get some bacon in the oven. We are going to get our dinner ready in the crock pot, and I'm going to boil some eggs for the week. So come along and let's get started. So on this night, I am making ravioli and meatballs. So I am starting our sauce in the crock pot. Yes, I do use jarred sauce, but I do doctor it up. So grandma, my Italian grandma, don't come for me. So I usually do like the garden herb or the mushroom Prego jar sauce. 2 of those, a can of tomatoes, and then a whole bunch of spices, and then 2 of these prepared packages of sausage meatballs from Aldi.
There's another side of you trying to break through, able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for sure. Every line designed to let me know. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. When we are together, you're afraid to hold my hand, trying to understand. What if this doesn't go as planned? So you don't know what it means to be loyal and kind. I know that you're not blind. Tell me what is really on your mind. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected.
So if you've never cooked bacon in your oven, I highly suggest. It's so easy. The cleanup is literally next to nothing. And in 20 minutes, you have perfectly flat, crispy bacon. So I line my sheet pan with foil because it makes cleanup really easy. I preheat my oven to 400 degrees, and then I I lay the bacon flat on the foil, sometimes overlapping because the bacon is just big and I wanted it to get all in one piece, or all in one sheet. And you'll see that I did take back 2 pieces that I cooked in a pan here in just a second, because I wanted to fry my chicken in bacon grease, because delicious, of course.
You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you so am I. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you so am I. So am I. Say that you love.
So here I have some chicken, and they are portioned out for the week. I am just seasoning it with some garlic salt, some lemon pepper, and a Parmesan, I don't know, herb and Parmesan blend that I get from Aldi. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook that in the pan that I cooked the bacon in real quick, and get that all nice and prepped up, and then I will set that aside for the week. I also have some eggs in the back boiling for a little extra protein on my salads, and I'm also going to be making egg salad for Josh for the week.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'm a drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be 2 of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be 2 of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it?
Though I do like to blow dry my hair the night before I go to work the next day, just because it cuts down on my morning routine. So with all of this hair, I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it and get it ready for the next day. Whoops. With all your hair.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth.
No.
The only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be 2 of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
Now that dinner's done, we're going to be doing a quick cleanup of the kitchen so that we've got a nice clean kitchen to wake up to tomorrow morning.
written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused. Turning gold into sand, don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you. Ooh, ooh, it sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do, what I am trying to do, what I am trying to do is say I love you. We're so dysfunctional, but still inseparable. Yeah, we just never get it right. You're playing games with me and my sympathy, but not enough to say goodbye. Oh, 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 we stick together, but I know, oh, oh, it isn't for the better. No, that's just how we dance, with liquid confidence. We find each other every night. But if I were to let you go, if I would pack my bags and leave without you and be out there on my own, then I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces.
Now that the kitchen is nice and clean, I'm going to be making my lunch for the next day, which is going to be a Cobb salad with a hard-boiled egg and one of those chicken breasts on top, and a little bit of that bacon that we cooked, because a Cobb salad is no good without bacon.
So here we go again with silly arguments that always end up in a fight. But we can still pretend that this will never end. We just make up and let it slide. Oh, 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 we stick together, but I know, oh, oh, it isn't for the better. No, that's just how we dance, with liquid confidence. We find each other every night. But if didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Feeling every day like I'm going insane. Cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look my way, but
alright, y'all, it is 8:45. Kids are in bed, dishes are done, the lunch for tomorrow is made, all of my meal prep is done. I did not get to make egg salad today, but I will make that tomorrow when I get home from work for Josh to have for the week, because he is currently injured and can't do very much as far as cooking for himself. So it's gonna be a crazy week, I just know it. But I'm so glad that I got all of this stuff done. I still have about 6,000 loads of laundry to do, but I did get enough clothes for the week for work done, enough clothes for the kids for school done, the essentials. And I did get the stuff put away that has been sitting on top of my exercise bike for weeks. So anyways, thanks for joining me today, guys. This was just a glimpse into one of my Sundays for a full-time working mom of 3. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe as well. We are well on our way to 100 subscribers for my first year on YouTube. It's a little bit slower than I had anticipated, but you know what? It is what it is. So every subscribe helps, every like helps, every view helps. If you want, share my videos with friends and family who you think might get some motivation from them, or you know, just a glimpse into the life of a working mom and how I do it all. So anyways, thanks for joining me here today, guys, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.